To download the PocketGuard app on your phone, start by accessing the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this will be the App Store, while Android users will use the Google Play Store. Open the App Store and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in PocketGuard and select the app from the search results. Make sure to choose the correct app, as there may be other apps with similar names. Once you have selected the PocketGuard app, tap on the Get or Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate the download. If you are using an Android device, you may also be asked to review the app's permissions before proceeding with the installation. Once the app has finished downloading, tap on the Open button to launch the PocketGuard app. You will then be guided through the setup process, which will include creating an account or logging in if you already have one. During the setup process, you will be asked to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This will allow PocketGuard to track your spending and provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. After linking your accounts, you will be able to see a breakdown of your income and expenses, as well as receive personalized recommendations for improving your financial health. The app will also allow you to set budgets and track your progress over time. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the PocketGuard app on your phone and start taking control of your finances today. Remember to always review the app's permissions and terms of service before proceeding with the installation, and to keep your account information secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication.